जम्मू काश्मीरातल्या पहलगामात जाल्ल्या आतंकवादी हल्ल्यात पर्यटकांक मरण आयिल्ले तशेंच कांय जाण जखमी जाल्ले। पर्यटकांची नावां आनी धर्म विचारून आतंकवाद्यांनी तांकां गुळयो घाल्यो। ह्या हल्ल्या उपरांत भारत सरकारान खर भूमिका घेतल्या। बुधवारा सांजे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी हांणी सुरक्षा मंत्रिमंडळाची बसका घेवन महत्वाचे निर्णय घेतले।
The Indus Waters Treaty of 1960 will be held in abeyance with immediate effect until Pakistan credibly and irrevocably abjures its support for cross-border terrorism. 2. The integrated checkpost Atari will be closed with immediate effect. Those who have crossed over with valid endorsements may return through that route before 1 May 2025. 3. Pakistani nationals will not be permitted to travel to India under the SARC visa exemption scheme visas. Any SVES visas issued in the past to Pakistani nationals are deemed cancelled. Any Pakistani national currently in India under SVES visa has 48 hours to leave India. The Defence, Military, Naval and Air advisors in the Pakistani High Commission in New Delhi are declared persona non grata. They have a week to leave India. India will be withdrawing its own Defence, Navy and Air advisors from the Indian High Commission in Islamabad. The overall strength of the High Commissions will be brought down to 30 from the present 55 through further reductions to be effected by 1st May 2025. The CCS reviewed the overall security situation and directed all forces to maintain high vigil.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, गोमंतक टीव्ही।